How did Earth get its moon? There are many theories on how Earth got its moon, but one of the theories I will be talking to you guys is about the nebular theory. So how it starts off is our solar system began long before, and it began after the explosion of a supernova. So what is a supernova? A supernova is a star that keeps getting hotter, and once it reaches its limit of capacity of energy, there are these exploding particles and gases that are released into the galaxy, leaving particles and these gases which then create planets and stars such as our sun. So after the event of a supernova and the explosion of it, there's the nebular theory. So the idea is it forms our solar system. So the nebular theory is the formation of planets where these clouds that are released from the supernova collide and other particles, causing it to spin fast into a flat disk, and then the result of our planets orbiting in the direction that the cloud was spinning. So these planets, such as terrestrial and Jovian planets, are formed, and then once these planets are formed, then there's the end of planet formation. So before the end, planets are formed, and then it reaches its capacity, and then it's the clearing of the nebula. So these leftovers that come from after the end of planet formations are in the galaxy, and once they're spinning, and there's an example of a leftover of these asteroids that didn't form into planets, so they're floating around the galaxy and hitting planets and stars, leaving these craters. So in this case, there's the giant impact that hit Earth, taking a chunk of Earth, forming the moon to orbit in the opposite direction, and the planets orbit around the sun. With the bombard of newly formed planets, it explains this. So material is torn from Earth's crust by these giant impacts from these leftovers, which take out a chunk and create the moon, and this is the idea of how Earth really got its moon, and it's one of the popular theories. So then the result is Earth and the moon, and so Earth used to be bigger than what it is today. It used to be bigger when it was formed during the nebular theory, but then these leftovers that are floating are hitting planets, and Earth got smaller, and that's how Earth got its moon. Thank you for listening.